Welcome back to the podcast. If you're dreaming about life in Zaragoza, the beautiful river, stunning skyline, the walkable streets, today's episode is where that dream starts to become practical. Because when you move to an inland Spanish city, the logistics work a little differently than they do for a coastal move. Let's talk about how it all comes together, how your belongings make the journey, what customs require, and what to expect when you first arrive. First, shipping your household goods. Most Americans moving to this city will ship their household goods by sea freight. It's the most efficient and cost-effective way to move furniture, personal belongings, and everything that makes your house feel like home. Now, this city is beautiful and wonderful, but it isn't on the coast. So your shipment typically will arrive first at a major Spanish port, probably Valencia or Barcelona. Then it will continue overland to your new address. There are two main shipping options. First, direct sea freight. Your container is dedicated to your household. This is faster, predictable, and ideal if you have a clear timeline. The second option is groupage shipping. Your shipment shares container space with others headed to Spain. It's more affordable, but can take longer since containers are consolidated before departure. If you're only bringing essentials or you want certain items to arrive quickly, air freight is a great complement. It's more expensive, but it allows you to settle in comfortably while you wait for your main shipment. Now let's talk about preparing for Spanish customs, one of the most important steps in an international move. Spain's custom process is detailed, but very manageable when you're prepared. You'll need an itemized inventory, a copy of your passport, and documents verifying your residency or visa status. Every shipment is checked to ensure it matches your declared contents and that you're importing household goods for personal use. But at SD International Shipping, we're going to handle that custom process for you. Our team will prepare your paperwork, coordinate directly with custom officials, and track your shipment from port to final delivery. Let's look at building a realistic timeline. International moves happen in stages, and understanding them will help you feel in control. Stage 1, consultation and planning. SDC helps you design a relocation plan based on your household size, location, and timing. Stage 2, packing and pickup. Your belongings are professionally packed and loaded for transport. Stage 3, freight and customs. The shipment departs from US, clears Spanish customs at the port, and is scheduled for inland delivery. And then Stage 4, your final delivery. Your household goods arrive and are unpacked and placed exactly where you need them. The key is to plan early, stay flexible. And here's the advantage of a structured move. When SDC International Shipping manages your relocation, you're not just hiring a moving company, you're partnering with a team that understands Spanish systems, documentation, and inland delivery logistics. We're going to coordinate each step and we'll keep you informed through regular updates and ensure your shipments arrive on time. That structure brings calm to what otherwise could feel like chaos. You could visit our website or give us a call, 844-651-7050.